In this video, we'll show you how to power up the Barnacle 5G system. First, locate the green connector on the base of the Barnacle unit. Remove the connector and connect power to pin 10 and pin 14. Pin 10 is the battery positive input, and pin 14 is the ground connection. Once power is connected, the blue light on the Barnacle will turn on for a few seconds and then turn itself off. Next, connect the cellular and GPS antenna. This is a puck-style antenna with two connectors. Identify the GPS connector and the cellular connector on the antenna. The GPS antenna connects to the outermost connector on the Barnacle. The cellular antenna connects to the innermost connector. After power and antennas are connected, the Barnacle system will begin connecting to the network. This process can take approximately 15 minutes. For this reason, it's recommended that you power on the Barnacle as soon as it is mounted on the boat. The Barnacle GPS and cellular antenna should be placed near the fiberglass hull or near a window on an aluminum boat. For the best cellular and GPS performance, install the antenna where there are as few nearby electronic devices or metallic surfaces as possible. Once the Barnacle connects to the cellular network, it will be available for viewing in the Barnacle app.